Nissan UD 460. What a beauty. You have to love a UD 460. If you are wise, you will buy it the same time you see it on the floor, because these units were built to last and built to work. These are workhorses. They can do the job. Would I buy a UD 460? Yes, without a doubt. Will I buy a 440? Without a doubt. UD 460, investors, still a beautiful truck, ready to work and make you some money. You can just hear the engine. I had to start it because plenty guys out there are asking if I can start the truck for them. Just listen to the engine. You have to love it. Nissan UD 460.